This is the Songbird. So basically, this film is just simple. It's about saving money. So what I have here is my Samsung that someone bought for me a few years back. And as you can see, I have so many channels for free. Free channels, okay? So here it is. And it's just strictly with an antenna. So I have all these channels, 26s, 22s, 20s. I have 2 channel 20s, 4 30s, 8 26s. Then there's the 35s, 5 35s. Wait, let's see. 6 35s, 7 35s. Okay. 7 35s. Oh, 8 35s. Okay. 2 channel 40s, 3 channel 40s, 4. Okay. And then there's the 43s, movies. Those are all movies channels. The 40s, 3s. Then, of course, there's 57. I have 4 channel 57s. 62, 61-2, 61-3, 61-4, 61-5. They all work. 61-1 all over again, which is something 5. Oh, that's 65-1. Okay, 65-3. And then this starts at 1,000. These are internet channels. I have 365 internet channels. See, and they're all, look at that. That's the nosy one. That's the one with all the talk shows, backstage, just all kinds of see. I love this television. And yes, it has all of the apps, Netflix, Hulu, everything. Amazon Prime, Pandora, everything. See that? 178 channels, 194 channels. They all work. Those are all my cooking channels. I love my cooking shows. Design shows. More. Here comes the movie channels again. More movie channels. Not the same movie channels. Look at that. That's another cooking channel. Then you got game channels, Love and Hip Hop, The Challenge, Pluto TV. When you press on Pluto up there, it actually goes to Pluto TV. That's how it works. And then there's Chime TV added on here. If I press on Chime, it goes to the Chime channel selection, which is many more channels, a lot more, like Pluto. If I press on Pluto, see that? There's another one. If I press on that, it'll go to a whole nother thing with a whole bunch of channels, over 100 channels. I love it. I love this TV. I love it because there's a TV guide and I can mark what I want to watch for later. Like, funny, there it is, Chive TV. If I press on Chive TV, it goes to a whole nother channel list, a whole bunch of another channel list. Okay. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Comedy. Oh, these are comedy. Nickelodeons. Games again, Nickelodeon, all bunch of channels for children, more than 20 channels for just for kids. Unidentified. Now there you go. There's my spot right there. Unidentified TV, the Asylum movie channel. There it is. Sci-fi movie channel. Yeah. The movie hub. The movie channel. Hallmark. Movie Spear, free movies, fantastic. And when I press on Movie Spear or fantastic or free movies, it just goes to a whole nother thing. And it just shows all of their movies. Maverick movie channel, Action movie channel, Cinevolt, 2 of those from the 80s, the 70s, the 90s, 200s, 2000s, Westerns, Westerns, more than one Western preview channel, just like on cable. 508 channels right there, because it started at 1,000. So it's 517 channels. There it is. It stops right there. So right at the bottom is just like on cable. You have all these channels just for music at the bottom, just like on the cable channel. I mean on the cable network. So I have 517 channels at the bottom, and at the top I have over 100 antenna TV channels. Yes, I said it, over 100. Yeah, 517 internet channels. Yeah, see that? I love this TV. I love it, love it, love it. TNT. See, I can't. I just love this. So, right here, right now, I'm looking for something to watch. So, and what I do is I go forward and to see, like right here, got Bob Burgers later, and then just push it, bang, just like on cable. Schedule it, bang, and then when it comes on, no matter what I'm watching, it's going to switch to it just like cable, except that this is free. I love this. Laughing is on. Yeah. See that? I love this channel so much. I mean, this TV. I had one TV before that had a TV guide in it. I was watching The Monsters just now. I watched 3 episodes, but now I'm going to watch something else. Look at it. The Green Hornet. You know, it's on already. It's the Green Hornet is on. Watch a little bit of that too. So I don't miss anything. Actually, I just woke up. So that I don't miss anything. Look at that. 2 mules for Sister Sarah. I might check out a little bit of that. And so you can still watch TV in the little box while you're searching for what you want to watch. I love it. And you got the X-Files, the Corners, Saturday Night Football. And I want to see what's on Comet. Comet. Oh, it's X-Files. It's like a marathon. Let's see what time that goes on. Oh, it's going off soon. Good. Lauren Lake. What? Late at night? Oh, that's tomorrow morning. I'll mark that. 9:30 in the morning. And I've been missing that lately. I don't like it every day, though. I want to mark Steve Wilkos. Oh, there it is. Judge Mathis. That's for in the morning. I hate to miss my Judge Mathis in the morning. I've been missing that for a while. Steve Wilkos. I like that. So no matter what I'm watching, it won't matter. And here's the 4:30 news a.m. I will be awake. So I see Channel 22 news. 4:30 in the morning. I go there from sleep. It'll wake me up. That'll be fine with me. Let's see what's going on tonight. I didn't know it went that far ahead. I love this TV. I love it. I love it. I love it. Even when I had cable, I always marked the search for what I want. Because, some people just change the channel. You just change it. And me, I'm just that girl. I like to look through, read, research, see what's good, see what's not good. Look at that. See, I have 4 channel 3s. Right? 4 channel 3s. And each thing I have is like 4. 4 of this, 4. Let me see what's coming on later. I don't want to miss any movies. It's only 8:30. I know some movies are coming on. Cabin Fever. That's on the Spanish channel. And I got Oxygen. It's just Snapped on Oxygen. I might watch one episode of Snap later. Okay. Black Widow Murders. Oh boy, what did she do? Yeah, I love it. Fast and Furious. Cabins we see in it reminds you, just like on cable. Oops, I think I canceled it on accident, but either way, whatever it was, I'm sure I'll find it. Since I'm still going through. I love it. Up there, it tells you what it's about. Like, Just like on cable. Except that this is free. That's what's so good about it. It's free. Especially if you have a 4G antenna. I don't know. Maybe some people are ashamed to have antennas these days. And a lot of people pay for cable. I don't know. So it seems, they like it, but other than that, some people are just paying for cable so that they don't appear to be too poor. Something's up there. What did I pick? Whatever it is, it's coming on. I guess it's Frasier. I like Frasier. Tossed salad and scrambled eggs. Yeah, that's nice. Cartoons. Cartoons. And that concludes. I remember watching that when I was younger. Well, see you later. Oh, this used to be my favorite thing. Oh, yes. Yeah, I remember this. This was the first episode, I believe. It was the first day. Oh, snap. Well, gotta go, folks. Gotta go.